ladies and gentlemen, this is Azan RS Auto. Today I'll be working on Acura MDX first generation. This Android system was installed. As you can see, it's not responding. Everything is working fine. So I've already started disassembling it before now. Thought of recording the replacement of the car stereo. So the touch is not working, but sound, you can play sound is coming out very well. So I've gotten the new car stereo, you can see there. This is the car stereo. And the connectors. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace this. The difference between this and this is that why this one has a USB outside, this doesn't. And I'm going to try and make the stereo control work, because the stereo control of this doesn't work with this. I'm going to try and see to make the stereo control work with this particular model. The replacement will not be much, considering that I was the one that first of all installed this, but I don't have the old one, and I use an adapter to do that, you can see. So you can easily disconnect this. So I didn't tamper with the original wiring of the car, so I just did this adapter to do that. So I'll just transfer SIM to this particular unit, and I'll try and do the stereo control as well. Please stay tuned and watch to the end. So this is the wiring harness has been connected for this adapter that we're facing here. Now, to be able to do the stereo control, I have to trace the wire in charge of stereo control, which is this particular wire, yellow with green with red stripe. Green with red stripe. So with this, you have to connect to, you see there are two wires to do your stereo wheel control. You have key 1, then key 2. Here it's labeled key 2. You can see key 2. Why this other one is key 1. So one of these will connect to this. With this you should be able to do your stereo control. Then the reverse camera, which is this one that you have back written on it, connect it to the reverse camera, which is this. So I will put in all the connections and we'll test and see how it works. So I've put the connection, just only put the antenna, then connect this. You can see how it is connected. I've not connected the reverse. I'm yet to do that. I'll do that later. Then I'll do for the stereo control later as well. So I want to power it on, and let's see. Power it on. So I will try to play music now. So because of copyright issues, I will not be able to play that for long. Let me look for the radio. controller is working. So what I will now do is I will try and do the reverse camera. I'll connect it, but I will still have to disconnect it. Maybe when I finish tidying up, I'll connect the reverse camera. But I want to connect the stereo control. Let's see. So I've connected the wire for the stereo control. So let me try and see. Try to do the stereo control. So we are going to see, don't press any key in this. Okay. So I'll press a key here. For now, previous and next audio and channel. So let me press source. Press source here. Then next here. I'll press next here. I'll press previous here. I'll go here. I'll press previous here. You can see those three buttons are highlighted. So we have done that, so let's test if what we did is okay. Let's go to radio. So let's increase. And not getting the desired results. So let's go back again. Now we are going to set the stereo controls now. So we are going to clear what we have there. Now for the volume up. So we come to the volume up button. See, as recorded, then volume down. Press the volume down button. As you recognize it, you can see it has changed to orange. Then the next button. So these are three buttons that are programmed because for the original operation of this stereo control, this volume up, volume down, then these two you can use it whether you are on CD player or you are on the radio station. If you are on a radio station, you can use it to switch from one station to the other. If you are on playing CD, you can use it to fast forward to the next track. So that was why I used next and not source. So now we are going to test how it works. Let's go to the radio now. So we are in a radio station. Let me try and increase the volume. You can see that the volume is increasing by pressing this. So I can also decrease the volume by pressing this. So I want to switch from station to station now. See, switch from station to station. Reduce it. So So we have finished with the steering control. By the time I finally assemble, I'm done with the steering control. By the time I finally assemble it, I will put the reverse camera, I will connect it, then I'll connect the GPS. This is the connection for the GPS. I've not done that. I will do everything, then I will tidy up once, then I will test, do a final test. Because this video is basically to do the steering control and to replace the faulty car steering. So I've assembled everything together. You can look, everything is flush to the dashboard. The reverse camera, I'm going to test it now. So the reverse camera is working. You can see the volume control moving from station to station. This is Azan Arrest Auto. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.